Yesterday you created the front cover of your brochure, and today you're going to be working on the inside of your brochure. So we're going to go back and look at that checklist just to make sure we remember all the text features that we need to include. So we're going to have photographs or illustrations, captions, labels, bold words, headings, and a glossary. Okay, so here's my example of the front cover. I chose to talk about what bees eat and where they live. Okay, so you can see I said they eat pollen and nectar. Pollen and nectar are both bold words, which means you'll be able to find them in my glossary. I also, in my drawing down here, included the labels of where those are found on my picture. Okay, remember, it's really important as you are doing yours. You can make yours similar to mine, but do not copy my example. Make sure you're coming up with your own information based on what you've learned about bees.